Using the ANNOWorx palette, let's take a look at the section Tagging. We have several different tagging options. We can tag a line with elevation, tag a component using information stored in the tag field, and we can also tag XREF components such as equipment, nozzles, and steel. ANNOWorx has several labeling methods with each type of tag. Label only, which is just annotation, line, which will include label information, and leader, which will also include label information. Let's tag a line number. Select the component and place the tag. Now, let's place the tag on the line number using elevation. Notice how you have bottom of pipe, top of pipe, or center line elevation. Let's select our component. We can turn ortho on and off and place the tag where needed. With the tagging method pretty typical, let's now tag equipment, nozzles, move on to tagging a valve, and then lastly, steel. We will change our steel method to be label only so it has the look and feel of a structural drawing.